Take the bolts out, yeah?
Yeah. As long as everything's unhooked from that throttle body. Oh, it looks like you got another piece on the side there. Something else.
Yeah.
Plug right there on the left of you.
There's a
Oh, you got a couple things.
hose here, there's a plug here, and a plug here.
Yeah, this one looks like it's broke. That is your IAC. This controls your throttle. So that's unhooked. What else do you have?
Guessing this is a
Oh, that's your ground. Which I don't understand why they use all those bolts. Really, you just get a bolt that's the right length. Obviously, that's not the factory bolt. You can tell. And that one there, you could probably just loosen with the. Hold on a second. Instead of doing a bullshit screwdriver, which you could.
got a hose on here too. Should I pull the hose? Are you filming? Constant filming. Hi.
I'm gonna see. Of course, wrong. Chill.
That had fuel in it.
What's that?
That had fuel in it.
Did it get you?
Well, it's on my hands, but
What
it's
had
not.
fuel in it?
That line.
That little line?
back there, yeah.
Yeah.
It must have been the return.
Yeah.
So that's definitely not your feed line. That little dinky line. And you do have a PCV valve.
Do I?
I might take her inside. Yeah, this one right here. Yours is routed correctly, so this has to come off too.
Okay.
Which you might have fun doing it because you unbolted the bolts. Yep, there you go. And that should pull right up out of there. Oh, one more in the back. You want me to try to pull it?
I just want to make sure I wasn't gonna like damage a clamp
Break
or something.
Or if it had a clamp.
Yeah,
There
that was
you
my
go.
primary concern. Is there a clamp?
Bam, there's your throttle body. All rich. Hope it ain't.